Good morning, students. So, today let's start with our first chapter of English 2, and that is the sentence. The name of the chapter is the sentence. First of all, students, we will try to understand what exactly a sentence is. Okay, what is a sentence? A sentence is a set of words which makes complete sense. Say for example, if you tell your mother that give me some milk, or I want to eat a chocolate, or I want to go in a park to play. What are all these? These are sentences through which you are trying to convey your message to someone. If you speak simple random words, are they going to make any sense? Or is somebody going to understand what do you want to say? Say for example, if I will say a single word table, only a table, what you can understand by a word table? Does it have any meaning? No, it doesn't, except that it is a table, just like that. Now, if I want to say that a table is made of wood, or if I want to say that a table has four legs, okay, if I want to explain this to somebody, how am I going to do that? By only saying a table. In that case, only a word is not enough. I need more words. So basically, when you have a group of words and the words are arranged in such a way that it makes a complete sense, then it is called a sentence. Okay, a set of words, a group of words which makes complete sentence or which makes a complete sense and which are arranged properly, that is called a sentence. Okay kids, now if you tell your mom that chocolate want, okay, is your mom going to understand anything? No, she is not. You have to tell her that mama, I want a chocolate. So, these are the words which are arranged properly to form a complete sense. And so, it is called a sentence. Now, see, say for example, let's take one more example. I'll tell you. I will just tell two apples and table. These are the two terms I am using here. Two apples and a table. Does these two words make any sense, students? These two words make any sense? No, it does not. Do you get any meaning out of this? No, you do not. But if I tell the same thing in slightly different way, as in two apples are lying on the table, then you can understand what I am trying to say, and it will also make a complete sense. Then you will understand that there are two apples and they are lying on the table. Where are they lying? On the table. And that will make a perfect sense. So this is a proper sentence. See students, here also if you can see what it is written, fruit is a apple and. Do you understand anything by these random words? They are individually different words. Okay. Do these words make sense? No, they do not make sense. Now, read the same words in another order. An apple is a fruit. What it is? An apple is a fruit. So, this means that an apple is a fruit. But the similar way, if you read the above words, did you understand anything? No, you didn't. So now these words make complete sense and they form and they form a sentence. So a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Now students, when you write a sentence, you must remember two things. There are two things which you have to remember very carefully. Number one, the sentence must begin with a capital letter. Okay. Any sentence, any group of words you make should begin with a capital letter. As in the first letter of the sentence should be capital. Say for example, I have a red cap. Which cap do you have? I have a red cap. What is the first word over here? It's I. So I should be capital over here. Then if I want to say that um, the boy the boy is very cute, then the first word is the and the T should be capital. In the same way, each and every word must begin with a capital letter. The beginning of the word should be capital. Number 2. A full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. What is it? A full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. So whenever you complete your sentence, whenever the sentence is finished, you have to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. These two things are very important and compulsory to make a sentence. See an example you can see here. Here it's written an apple is a fruit. And that's wrong. Why? Because it has not been started with a capital letter in the front in the beginning, and a full stop is not kept at the last. But below that is another sentence, and that is an apple is a fruit. See here, A. That is the first letter of the sentence, and that is capital. And there is a full stop here at the end of the sentence. So this is correct, and this has to be taken into notice. Now let's understand this with few examples. Okay, students? Here, rearrange the sentences. Number 1. Boy am I a. Now, as I told you before, does this make any sentence? These are random different individual words. No, it does not make any sense. So, what is written below? I am a boy. What it is written? I am a boy. Here I is capital C, and there is a full stop at the end of the sentence. I is capital and there is a full stop here. So this is a perfect sentence. Number 2. Dog, faithful, a is animal. So dog is a faithful animal. You have to arrange words in that way that it makes proper sense. So dog is a faithful animal. Just be careful, students. There is a capital letter in the front and a full stop at the end of the sentence. Number 3. Cloudy day was it a. So, how can we start this? It was a cloudy day. How can we start? It was a cloudy day. Again, it finishes with a full stop and starts with a capital letter. And the last one is at that bird look. So, look at that bird. So, here also look starts with a capital letter and bird ends with a full stop. And so, this makes a perfect sentence with a capital letter in the front and a full stop at the back. So, a sentence is a group of words which are arranged in such a way that it makes a complete proper sense. Did you understand, students? I hope you understood this chapter very nicely. Thank you.